To create an aggregate transformation, click on the cell where you want the transformation to be, then click the New button. Select Transform and then select Aggregate. Click on the source table that you want to use or select its name from the list. You'll then be asked for the aggregate expression you want to calculate, and you'll also have the option to calculate it for the entire table or to split by particular columns. So let's imagine that we wanted to calculate from this list of trees the oldest tree for each species. So we will split by each unique value of the species column, and then we will calculate the oldest age that appears for that species, which we do by finding the maximum of the age column. This will then give us an aggregate with one entry per species that appeared in the source table and our calculation for the oldest age that appeared in the next column. These values will generally come out unsorted. If you want to sort by the species, or probably in this case by the oldest age, simply form a further transformation by sorting by the column of interest. So for example here, sorting by age.